Okay guys, so we have now here our new Victorinox multi-tool swiss knife. This one. We will now unbox this one, but first I will show you how it looks, the box outside. Okay, we open and this is what's inside. Okay, the tool is has a casing. It's a leather material, nice color, and here's the emblem of Victorinox. Here you can put at your side with your belt. Also here is a small manual, I think. Yeah, and here's how it's look and the functions. And for the maintenance, like here, put oil here. Most of the functions are stated here, and the parts. But this is like maybe an additional. What we have here is this one only, and these are the parts or the tools that you can use. It has many functions, about 24 functions, so this is really a good multi-tool to have when you are outdoor or traveling. So yeah, it's the small manual. Now here's the multi-tool itself. Very shiny. Yeah, this is how it looks. And you open, now you can see the plier. It has a wire cutter. Okay, that's how it looks when you open up. And on my next video I will make a more detailed review about this one. Yeah, thanks for watching guys, and see you on my next video.